Hello, we are POL242berlin2013. Our presentation is on Canadian attitudes towards international trade. In our research, we selected a survey question from the Canada Election Study of 2011. It asked individuals to indicate whether they strongly agree, disagree, or strongly disagree with the statement that international trade creates more jobs in Canada than it destroys. For our purposes, we recoded strongly agree and agree into one category, and strongly disagree and disagree into a second category. The results showed that most Canadians agree with the statement. However, the kurtosis and skew values suggest that there is enough variance for further analysis. Our rationale was to determine which personal factors will affect one's assumption that international trade creates more jobs in Canada than it destroys. The first independent variable was the individual's level of education. We hypothesized that education would have a positive correlation with one's likelihood to agree. This is supported by a study conducted by Heinmuller and Hiscox in 2006. The second independent variable was household income. A study featured in the Review of World Economics Journal found that international trade led to greater income inequality. We hypothesized, therefore, that one's level of income will have a positive correlation with one's likelihood to agree.
First, we cross-tabulated levels of education with the dependent variable. This confirmed our hypothesis that higher levels of education corresponds with agreeing that international trade creates more jobs in Canada than it destroys. Individuals who have a university degree or higher are 14% more likely to agree than those with high school diplomas or less. Next, we cross-tabulated household income with the dependent variable. Again, the results confirmed our hypothesis. Individuals with a greater household income were more likely to agree that international trade is a domestic job creator.